Barriers in problem solving. Problem solving is a conceptual process. The problem never gets solved on its own. That requires some action reaction. This process can be of daily life, or we may need to solve the problem in a different way from how it is done every day. But actually, it is necessary to solve them. Nevertheless, there may be some difficulties while solving the problem, because of which this process stops somewhere and can go in the opposite direction, meaning that the problem remains but the time, resources, and skills spent on it may be lost. Let us see what can be the difficulties in the problem solving process. Mistake in understanding the problem or not understanding the problem at all. The first obstacle in problem solving is when it is not known that there is any problem, or the reason of not recognizing the original problem by guessing some other problem, we work towards solving it. While starting a new project or after starting the project, we fail to understand whether there is any problem in it. If the basic problem is not known at all, how then can we remedy it? Understanding the scope of the problem. Sometimes how big is the scope of the problem created is not understood. Hence, the solution is taken at the normal level. So, the solution on the problem is not effective. To avoid this, assessing the problem deeply, starting the process of critical thinking, and taking the opinion of other experts and practitioners on it, such measures can be definitely taken. These procedures reveal the scope of the problem and they are easy to treat accurately. Making decisions without thinking. We make this mistake many times even in daily practice. We take a decision before thinking deeply about how many options exist for a problem. Apart from this, we do not think about what are the other options with which the problem can be solved by implementing those in a timely and effective manner. Such thoughtless decisions are obstacles in the path of problem solving. Instead, before making any decision, make sure that we have thought of all the options or not and put a final seal on your decision. Identifying potential interruptions. If a problem is to be resolved, we make some choices. But with that popular option, there is sometimes a possibility of increasing the problem further or creating a new problem. If this happens, then that problem will always be a problem. It will never be solved. Therefore, it is necessary to think about what possible hindrances can be caused by this option. Not recognizing the feasibility of the chosen option or measure. After thinking very carefully, taking the opinion of people, after making sure of everything, we have chosen an option. But if nothing is thought about the time, money, and human resources it takes to execute that option, many difficulties will be faced while solving that problem. If that happens, that problem will never be solved, but the solution itself will become a problem. Perhaps the problem may be solved, but after choosing that option can become a trick, in which time, money, and skill will be used more. Difficulties in problem solving come mostly during the conceptual process, because this process starts with discussions. If these difficulties are to be avoided, it is necessary to think on this as soon as possible and in time.